reminded, so must I be reminded of all the things I seen. Somehow my mind rewinds it. I seen some soldiers fall, but still that duty calls. I put my life on line to protect all of y'all. Uncle Sam said, raise your right hand if you value freedom. Time to take a stand. I took the oath and now I'm waving to my family bye. At the deployment ceremony, my son asking why you gotta go when all you coming back? Mommy hurt me too, why can't you realize that? I kiss my baby bye, destination unknown. I pray to God that he can bring me and my soldiers home. I wipe my tears and now it's time for me to soldier up. I keep asking myself who really cares for us. I'm in the war now, a soldier down. I need a medevac and about 500 rounds.
When you come home,
I salute all my soldiers, Peter Rose, salute you.
I'll hide it good. I'll never cry again when you come home to me.
I kept your picture with me on the battlefield. That was the only thing kept me from getting killed. And girl, I know you miss me. Hell, I miss you too. Just hold this soldier down until this war is through. So many plans, we still gon' do it. It's your letters every day to help me pull through it. So give my baby girl a kiss for me, good night. And reassure for me, daddy gon' be alright. And to my yellow ribbon spouses, how we love you dearly. You make it easy on us to see the mission clearly. To my soldiers, to my sailors, to my airmen flying, to my Marines together, we will surely triumph. No matter here at home or in the foreign places, no matter what for, no matter what station, you gotta work for it. Freedom is never free. Salute to all who serve, the rest come follow me.
I saw you.
We salute you soldiers, Peter Rose, MLP.
Just where you be. I'll stop
To my yellow ribbon spouses, we salute you. To all my soldiers that's serving right now, Afghanistan, Iraq, we salute you. Keep your head up, stay up,
I'll stop this.
let's ride.